Meet FLEYE, a personal flying robot that's fun, safe, and autonomous. While many drones have exposed propellers, are awkward to handle, or require a lot of instruction, this cool creation rolls these worries away. FLEYE's unique soccer ball size and shape gives it a friendly, familiar feel, while its protective grids keep hands and fingers safely protected from contact with the propellers. Controlled by an intuitive app on your smart device, you can set FLEYE to perform autonomous missions, complete with specific vision tasks. Once you've configured a few settings, just set FLEYE for takeoff and throw it into the air. FLEYE will then perform its mission all by itself while you enjoy the live streaming video. If you prefer, you can also control FLEYE manually. For safety, fun, and simplicity, this drone definitely hits the mark. Many large industrial companies that could benefit from drone technology cannot do so, held up by the high acquisition and operational costs. With the new AIROBOTICS system, many of these prohibitive expenses disappear. The AIROBOTICS solution is a complete automated system that can program its drone to fly autonomous missions with no pilot or supervision required. Receiving instructions from the AIROBOTICS base, the AIROBOTICS drone can fly scheduled or on-demand patrols for site inspection, survey and mapping, security surveillance, and emergency response. When the time comes for recharge, the airbase can automatically swap the battery with a fully recharged replacement, ensuring an all-around automated system requiring no human interference. By utilizing the AIROBOTICS system, employees can be relieved of these responsibilities and the potential hazards involved. With the AIROBOTICS airbase and its companion drone, we can safely conclude that a game-changing innovation has appeared in the drone industry. Japan's Camel Golf Resort has recently tried out a new employee, sort of. During May 2016, golfers in need of extra golf balls had been delivered by drone. In a month-long trial, online shopping mega company RAKU tried out this new delivery drone at the golf course, bringing not only new golf balls and other equipment to golfers, but also delivering drinks and snacks. Using their smartphones, golfers were able to place their orders right from the course. From a dedicated depot, workers loaded up their items into a special box carried by the SORA RAKU drone, which faithfully flew them out to designated spots on the course for retrieval by the golfer. Nothing like a cool beverage after a few bad shots, right? Rakuten intends to use their SORA RAKU drones to deliver products to sparsely populated areas and mountainous regions. The company is also considering using their drones in disaster relief situations. We're all for that. Birds of prey have always had a monopoly on swooping in to grab something and carrying it away. Not anymore. Now technology has finally caught up with nature with this cloud creation, the robot arm drone, from Japanese company ProDrone. Thought to be the first large-format drone equipped with two internally developed robotic arms, the robot arm drone was developed to address the increasingly strong demand for drones that can perform specific hands-on operations. Added to an existing PD-6B AW drone, these 5-axis arms provide an incredible amount of versatility. Because it's able to carry up to 22 pounds for 30 minutes, the developers envision a wide range of uses for this groundbreaking creation. These include carrying cargo, retrieving hazardous materials, cutting cables, and much more. Through a combination of its hovering and grasping abilities, the robot arm drone can even perch like a bird while awaiting further instructions. While that's just a little spooky, it's also pretty cool. With so many drones created for improving tasks, this new drone's only target is a good time, or maybe an energy drink can. Say hello to the S6 from Chinese company WINGSLAND. Though it does come with a high-res 13-megapixel camera and some sophisticated flight settings, the S6 is meant to remind us that a little fun is a good thing. This flying fun machine can be rigged up with a toy gun that fires small, harmless projectiles. Imagine the joy of flying around your neighborhood, launching airstrikes against your unsuspecting buddies. There's also a flashlight and a lighted attachable expression board for overwhelming your frenemies with endless emojis. About the size of a cell phone and only 28.6 millimeters thick, the S6 is billed as the world's thinnest 4K video drone. When you have had enough fun, the propeller arms fold neatly away for easy pocket storage. In every grown-up, there's an inner child. The S6 gun drone can help you find it again. Which of these new drone innovations did you think deserves the most props? Pardon the pun. Feel free to let us know in the comment section below. And remember to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. We've got lots more insane videos coming soon. See you later.